Good morning, everyone. It's Lonnie. It is Monday morning, and I'm just coming off of a long weekend. Let's see, the last time I did any work, eBay-related work, was Thursday morning. I shipped out orders, and then we left town for Houston, Texas. And let's see, so Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I didn't do any eBay-related work at all. So today is going to be a busy day. I have a few orders. I did put my store on 2-day handling starting Thursday morning. Made some sales. There weren't really that many sales though. There really weren't. Combination, I guess, of not listing and handling time or whatever. But yeah, I do have some stuff to ship out though, and we're going to pull some orders right now and get that stuff out of here. Let's see, the first thing I'm pulling is Wall Street Kid NES game right here. This is let's see what look at the cover on this thing though, the artwork. Look at Wall Street Kid. That's pretty cool actually. Use It or Lose It, featuring Ruth, the ruthless banker, Stanley, the crafty consultant, and then there's the Wall Street Kid. I actually saw Pat the NES Punk review this game before. It looked kind of interesting. I got $6.99 plus $3.50 shipping on top. All right, next up is this little official Girl Scout camera for Brownie Scouts. This is a really cool little, it's a cheapo little plastic camera, but it's pretty neat. I'm trying to figure out who even makes it. I imagine it's Kodak, but it doesn't have any kind of branding on it that I can tell. But anyway, I got $17.99 plus shipping on top for this guy. All right, I sold a couple of these Batman Automobilia figures. They're little car statue things in plastic cases. Now these are actually not in the greatest of condition. Obviously the vehicles inside are, but the plastic, it's not in horrible condition, but it's a little rough. So I did have to, you know, tell people, hey, please look at the photos, because there's a little, like, few nicks and scuffs and stuff like that on it. But yeah, this one is a Batcopter that I got $14.99 plus shipping on top for. This one is really cool. Okay, I sold this Batman exclusive, I'm not Batman exclusive, Toys R Us exclusive Batman in a new Batsuit, Batman new Batsuit. This figure I got $19.99 plus shipping on top for. Another Batman Automobilia thing. This is a car Batmobile from Batman Returns movie, and you could see this one has wings on it. So that is pretty cool. Same thing, $14.99 plus shipping on top for this one. Okay, sold a Grand Theft Auto 5 for Xbox 360. This was missing one of the discs, I believe. Let me open it up real quick. Let's see. Yeah, this is missing. It has the map and the manual and everything. And it has this disc, which is the install disc, but it doesn't have the play disc. I got $4.99 plus shipping on top for it though. So still made a couple of bucks. Sold an Atari 2600 game. And these are, I've actually got a bunch more I can list. These things have been selling super slow and for not much money, so I'm glad to sell any of them though. Combat for Atari 2600, $2.99 plus shipping on top. When I was a kid, oh my gosh, I can't tell you how many hours I played this game. So much fun. I feel like it would still be fun today actually. Oh, $2.99 plus shipping on top. Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 for PlayStation 3. Sold for $4.99 plus shipping on top. So I mean, this, look, this little stack right here, 10, 17, That's $13 for all 4 games, not including the shipping. But luckily, that's only going to take maybe 2-3 minutes to pack them all, you know? So, yeah, whatever. All right, Mortal Kombat 2 for Super NES. I got $10.99 plus shipping on top for that. All right, other account now. This is for, yep, this girl right here. DC Collectibles Catwoman bust figure. I got $24.49 plus shipping on top for that. Actually had that on sale. They got a good deal. Okay, I sold 2 of these Nintendo Wiis that I listed. This one, this red one right here, this actually had some stuff pre-installed on it. So I asked just a little bit more for it. $34.99 plus shipping on top. Yeah, it's going to be a pretty easy ship too. And then the other one I sold was this one right here. This is a black Nintendo Wii, console only, just like that one. I got $24.99 plus shipping on top for that one. And like I said, both of these are console only, no cords or anything like that included. Okay, last thing I got going out is up here. It's this Pelican case. Let me put y'all down for a minute and grab it. All right, here it is. This is a Pelican case. It's a Pelican 1600 case is what it is. And it's got foam inside and stuff. I paid $20 for this case at a yard sale. And I got $74.99 for it on eBay. Plus shipping. That does not include shipping. And I don't know, I've never shipped one of these cases quite so big before, but I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a wrap of cardboard on it and call it a day. I'm not going to put any padding or anything. It's just going to be one wrap of cardboard and then put a label on it, because this thing is actually, I mean, I could just put it in plastic if I wanted, but yeah, I'm going to wrap it in cardboard just for the heck of it. But yeah, $74.99 plus shipping on top. Before I get started packing, I want to show you all this. This just came in the other day. I actually took the time to order some bubble wrap. I've been buying it local the past few times. And yeah, I was pleasantly surprised to see that this was actually bubble wrap, a sealed air brand, because I've used that stuff before and I like it. It's good bubble wrap. I paid $26.10 for this on Amazon. So wow, that's actually a really good deal. It's like 700 square foot, 700 feet of 12-inch wide small bubbles for $26.10. Now, I did order it. I think it said Prime, but this kind of stuff, it takes a while. This took like a week or a little more to get here. So I'm going to put a link down below to it though. I'm happy with this. This is a heck of a deal. I'm going to be in bubble wrap for at least a month. Hopefully a little longer, but at least a month. Oh, I got pretty much everything packed for the most part. Oh, except for 2 more things I got to pack. Can't forget those. But yeah, here is that Pelican case. And like I say, I just took a piece of cheap cardboard and cut it up to fit as tight as possible, because I wanted to put it in a little bit of cardboard just to say, hey, it's packed and something, you know, but I didn't want to increase dimensions. So it has not increased the dimensions more than like a ½ inch on any side. So yeah, there it is. It took I spent about 15 minutes on this. It's worth it though, you know. 20 into 75 plus shipping, you know, minus fees and stuff. It's still going to make out really good on that. And I knew it was going to sell when I bought it. Oh yeah, I got 2 more things going out. Almost forgot to tell y'all about them. These are 2 things I sold on the MSP auction show last week. Yeah, I think it was last week. This knife right here, this Schrade Knife, is going out to Delton over at the YouTube channel 9 Pound Hammer, I think it's called. I think I got that right, Delton. Yeah, this knife is really cool. And then the other thing is this awesome telegraph lighter. It's like a telegraph bug from like the 70s. It's a table lighter. It's even got the original batteries. I don't think it's ever been used. It's got the original batteries that came with it and everything. And it runs on butane. So I sold that. This is going out to Sandy at, wait, let me look up her channel. Okay, yeah, this is going out to just Sandy, who I just looked at her channel. She is at like 935 subs. So she's getting pretty close to that important 1,000 mark. I'm going to link Sandy and Delton's YouTube channels down below. So thanks a lot for buying that, guys. Getting these packed up right now. Gonna get them sent out to y'all. Okay, here's all my shipments that are ready to go out now. Like I say, pretty slow for a for weekend sales, but not horrible. I got a few decent ones in here, and I've actually made a couple of cool sales today already. That I can't wait to tell y'all about tomorrow. They're actually pretty cool. It's been a decent sales day early on already. So yeah, let me load these up. I got a couple of IKEA bags here to load these up in. I'll get to the post office, and then I might get into some other stuff here on the vlog today. Not sure where the day is going to take me from here. I've got some correspondence I need to answer on eBay though. That's my next step. Oh, I do have a story for y'all. All right, quick story time before we end this vlog. As y'all may have seen this game, Earthbound. And I have it listed on eBay right now for $200. And I put in the listing, you know, I took photos, of course, of the outside. And then I used my little, this little guy right here to open up the cartridge, and I took photos of the board to prove that it's a legit you know, Nintendo board, not a repro or a fake or whatever. And I got a message the other day. Actually, let me pull that up because I want to make sure I get this right. Okay, so let me read these messages to y'all, and you tell me, am I being paranoid or is this legit a scam? Because I lean towards a scam, but you know, I'd be interested to see what y'all say too. Okay, now this is a question that was asked about Earthbound on eBay. Hi, can you send me a picture of the board that's inside the game beside a piece of paper saying Tom 284, and that's not really what he said. I just don't want to give it out. I don't want to give out exactly what he said. Beside Tom 284 on it, so that way I know the game is authentic. Thanks. So he wanted me to open the game up, take a picture of the board next to a piece of paper that says Tom 284 on it. Which, I mean, I understand his reasoning there, or what he wanted me to think anyway. But then I thought about it and I was like, wait, this sounds sketchy. So I responded, I'm not sure I understand. You're concerned the photos I uploaded aren't the photos of the game. That was a question I asked. And then his response, all right, yeah, his response to that question, yes, that is correct. I have been ripped off before for not purchasing an authentic copy. So this time I want to make sure I get an authentic copy. Can you please send me a pic of the board beside a piece of paper saying Tom 284 on it? Then I will purchase the game from you. Thank you. And so then I sent another message back to him. I should have just stopped already, but I said, who is Tom 284? Is that an eBay account? I think some of y'all probably know where I'm going with this already. And then his reply, I am Tom 284. I want to see the board that's inside the game so I know it's authentic. I want the board to be beside a piece of paper. Blah, blah. He said the same thing again. So when I asked him if that was an eBay account, he said, yes, it was. So my thinking is that the dude wants me to take pictures of the board in here, and then with that piece of paper beside it, and then he'll probably, okay, this is the crazy part, maybe. He'll use my photos to sell a fake copy that he has on hand and use my photos to prove with his eBay store name on it to prove. Because, like, why didn't he just say write the color blue on a piece of paper, or write today's date, or whatever. Why did it have to be his eBay name? And it wasn't that eBay name that he gave me to write down on that piece of paper. It wasn't the name of the account that he was messaging me from. So I don't know. Am I being paranoid, or was that like some kind of really scammy thing? And I lean towards scam because it's just so specific what he wanted written down. But I don't know. I've never had anything quite like that happen. If y'all sell video games, have you ever had that same request made before? And what would you do? I'm not answering. I'll just wait and sell to somebody else later. I'm not in a hurry. But what would you do with that? But anyway, guys, that's the end of today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye, guys.